Here we are in St. Maarten, French West Indies in the Caribbean islands. Now, we're starting out at the north end of the beach. This is Orient Beach. This is all Orient Beach here. We're right outside the mansion. It used to be owned by the Beauperthe family that owned all of Orient, and they sold it off little bits at a time. They didn't really like the island that much, so they didn't come here that much. So, after the storm, Irma was a year and a half ago. After the storm, some of the places have come back, some haven't. One of the major places where people used to rent from is Mount Vernon, which is up on the hill here. It looks to me like, from a distance, it looks like they're fine, but they had pitched roofs. So you'll notice most of the pitched roofs are gone. So without the roofs, the place leaks, so they can't really do any improvements till the roofs are put back on. And I don't know how long it's going to take, because these insurance companies for these big complexes don't seem to cooperate too well, or don't pay very fast, or whatever. Further down, there's a yellow building, and that used to be Boo Boo Jam, the restaurant, and they had dancing at night and everything. So, what we're going to do, we're going to go from this point here and go up to the other end of the beach, and then just pick up everything that's happened since. So here we are a little bit further north from Orient Beach. What I have behind me is one of the beach bars we already set up. The blue umbrella, that's KKO. KKO they call it, KKO. And behind us here, looking around, is what used to be Coco Beach, COCO. And there's another, the people that own Coco are not coming back. They're being somewhere else or whatever, not coming here. But anyway, they're building a whole new building here. They've gone into the foundation, into the ground. They're going to do it right this time to not get destroyed another hurricane. So you can see that's under construction. It's been under construction for probably several months. And it's right next to the mountain, the only mountain on Orient Beach. It's a pretty big landmark. So, and then of course behind us is where we were before, down by where it used to be mansion, and then there's the condos in the distance, which is called Mount Vernon. That's it. So now we're going to move a little bit further south on the beach. All right, here we are a little further south still on the beach at Orient Bay, and behind me here, it's called Bikini Beach Bar, and it was here before, but I don't think it was this big. I think it might have been about the same area, but they rebuilt it. And get a lot of cruise ship people in here, so they stay pretty busy along with the other beaches here, along with the other beach bars. They have jet skiing, parasailing, all kinds of activity. You can go out on the boat, and out there there's inflatable, they pull you behind the boat. So those things you can ride on and get wet. Anyway, so that's on this end. And remember, KO was behind this. This is Bikini, was north of this, and then Bikini. And then on the other side of this is going to be Kontiki, and that's going to be the red umbrellas, which you can probably see in the distance. And these are really the three beach bars on the three main beach bars. Beyond that is Club O, which is also a beach bar, but that's clothing optional. So some people don't like it, some people do, whatever, it doesn't make any difference. They also have volleyball here, volleyball net set up. These guys do parasailing from like this spot here, and they're doing parasailing right now, but in the morning there's a whole bunch of them. And here's one of them. This is I think this is one of the things that you go up on when you're pulled behind the boat, which is, I guess that's called parasailing too, but what these guys are doing, actually para-boarding, I guess I should call it. You have a board on your feet and a real small sail that you maneuver so you can go back and forth. It looks like a lot of fun, but it looks like it'll take a lot of practice too. So anyway, so we're gonna move further up the beach, further south on the beach, and check out some other stuff. Okay, so here we are, still further south on Orient Beach, and behind this right now, I was telling you the red, we're pretty good distance away. You couldn't see it before, but this is Kon-Tiki Beach Bar, and then behind us, up that way further, is Club O, which is the clothing optional beach, whatever. Now, before the storm, there were about 6 little store-like things here that they wanted to build, and they built them what seemed like the right way. It had a concrete pad down and everything, and but the structure was wood. So, and they spent 8 million euros building like these 6 structures. Well, needless to say, they all blew apart because the wooden framing doesn't survive this kind of, especially in 300-mile-an-hour winds. So this time, I believe they're going to do them right. They're going down with the foundations in, and I believe they're going to build them all with solid walls, like everything else around here will survive. Actually survive. One of them still level, the other one, since it wasn't set on any kind of a foundation, it's tilted. And you had that a lot of times. I don't know if you can straighten them up on a little foundation or what. There'll be a lot of weight, a lot of time. It'll probably be a waste of money. I don't know what they're going to do. It might be used for storage right now. Anyway, the intent is to build these back. We'll see how they actually build them. I imagine it'll be done in about a year, maybe, something like that. At home it'd be faster, but around here, things don't move. The pace is not that fast. So anyway, we'll go up and walk up. Won't be able to film too much up there. We're going to go up to the very south end of the beach here, and we'll see what's going on up there. Okay, here we are on the southernmost portion, and this was Club O, and it still is, but we got to rebuild it, and they haven't really done much so far. This over here is called the Papagayo resurgence. Wave hit it and knocked the roof in, and that's how bad the storms are. There's somebody backing up all these rocks here.